In this BDRCloud How-To series video, I'll show you how to create a block storage backup repository. BDRCloud provides flexible storage options. You can store your backup data on BDRCloud's hosted cloud storage. If you choose this option, then no backup repository setup is required in the BDRCloud console. BDRCloud is available in various regions, and your backup data will be stored in your closest BDRCloud location. In this video, we'll explore the Bring Your Own Storage option, specifically focusing on block storage. This option allows you to store backup data locally on devices such as DAS, NAS, and SAN. Let's look at the process of creating a block storage backup repository in the BDRCloud console. BDRCloud offers a cloud-based centralized management console accessible from anywhere. You need to enter the URL in your browser and log in to your BDRCloud account by simply entering the username and password. This is the BDRCloud console. Here, you can back up your servers and endpoints and manage your backup infrastructure easily. To set up the block storage repository in the BDRCloud console, navigate to the Infrastructure tab and select Backup Repository menu. To set up a new block storage repository, select the Block Storage option. On this page, select the Create New Block Storage Repository button. Enter a name for the repository. The data will be handled via the local agent's accessible storage, which is pre-selected by default. Next, select the Storage option. To proceed, let's explore the process of choosing the direct attached drive. After selecting this option, specify the backup storage location by entering the drive path. If you wish to enable hardware-assisted deduplication, check the corresponding box. This feature utilizes your storage media's built-in deduplication capabilities while disabling BDRCloud's data compression and encryption features. Alternatively, you can select the Network Attached Drive option. If it has already been configured, simply choose it from the drop-down menu. If not, click the Add Network Drive button to add a new one. Review the recommendations and select the checkbox to acknowledge them. Next, provide the drive path along with the associated username and password. Finally, click Save to complete the configuration. You can now select the added network drive from the drop-down menu. Additionally, you can use the Edit Network Drive option to update the credentials if they have been modified. To update the credentials for the network drive, enter the new username and password in the respective fields and click Update to save your changes. Additionally, you have the option to remove the network drive entirely if needed by selecting the Delete option. Once all the required details are entered, click on Create. Once created, all block storage repositories will be listed here. That's it. Now it's your turn to try it out. For more details, visit our website or reach out to BDR Support. Thanks for watching.